use Base44 with Wix? Yes, you can use Base44 with Wix, and they work seamlessly together since Base44 is now part of the Wix ecosystem. This integration allows users to combine Wix's powerful website building tools with Base44's advanced app development capabilities. Together, they make it possible to design visually appealing websites on Wix while using Base44 to build custom web apps, backend systems, or client dashboards, all within a connected workflow. Base44 focuses on automating complex backend and app logic using natural language prompts, while Wix provides the design and hosting environment. You can use Base44 to create applications that handle data, user interactions, and automation, then easily embed or connect them to your Wix site. This combination gives users both flexibility and scalability without needing to code or maintain separate platforms. In real-world use, many businesses and creators use this integration to power interactive websites, membership portals, and booking systems. For example, a freelancer can design their website in Wix and use Base44 to add a secure client dashboard, payment processing, or project management tools. This synergy helps streamline workflow, making Wix and Base44 an excellent duo for both design and functionality. You can start using Base44 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create your own professional app at no cost.